Excitement bubbles up as we step into the vibrant world of Pinterest. A platform not just for inspiration but a treasure trove of opportunities waiting to be explored. Imagine transforming your love for creativity and innovation into a revenue-generating machine. All from the comfort of your home. Today, we're unveiling the secrets of making money on Pinterest. Breaking down the steps into an exhilarating journey towards financial freedom. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the art of turning pins into profits. Crafting a pathway to high profits with low effort. Creating a pin on Pinterest is a straightforward process. Perfect for new users looking to share their ideas and creativity. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step 1. Sign up and log in if you haven't already. Sign up for a Pinterest account. Step 2. Navigate to your profile after logging in. Click on your profile picture or your name at the top right corner of the Pinterest homepage. This will take you to your profile page. Step 3. Click on the plus sign on your profile page. Look for a red plus sign. Click on it. This is where you start creating your pin. Step 4. Choose an image or video. Pinterest allows you to create pins with images or videos. Click on Create Pin, and then click on the Choose Image or Choose Video button, depending on your preference. Select the file you want to upload from your computer. Step 5. Add a title under the Title field. Enter a descriptive and catchy title for your pin. Make sure it clearly represents what your pin is about. The title should be engaging and encourage users to click on your pin. Step 6. Add a description in the Description field. Provide additional information about your pin. Step 7. Add a destination link. This is a crucial step, especially if you are creating a pin to promote a blog post, product, or website. Under the Website field, enter the URL of the web page you want users to visit when they click on your pin. This can be your blog post, product page, or any other landing page. Step 8. Choose a board. Select a relevant board from the drop-down menu where you want to save your pin. If you haven't created boards yet, you can create a new board directly from this step. Step 9. Add tags. Tags, or hashtags, can help your pin reach a broader audience. Add relevant keywords as tags to your pin. For example, if your pin is about a healthy recipe, you might add tags like #healthyfood, #recipes, #cooking, etc. Step 10. Publish your pin. Once you have filled out all the necessary details, click on the Publish button. Your pin will now be live on Pinterest, ready to be discovered and shared by users. Congratulations! You've successfully created your first pin on Pinterest. Now, what if I told you these pins could translate into substantial passive income? Yes, you heard it right. Your boards can become a source of revenue, effortlessly working for you even when you're not online. So, how does it work? Let's dive into the most profitable way to earn money: affiliate marketing. Imagine each pin as a potential salesperson, subtly recommending products and earning you commissions. You can join affiliate programs of your favorite brands, pin their products with your unique affiliate link, and voila! When someone makes a purchase through your pin, you earn a commission. It's like having an army of virtual sales assistants working around the clock, bringing in income with every click. Now, let's talk about the amount of money you can potentially earn. It's not just pocket change. Pinterest has the potential to turn your passion into a substantial income. Successful Pinterest entrepreneurs report earnings ranging from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month. With the right strategy and consistent effort, you can be part of this league of highly profitable pinners. Imagine turning your hobby into a significant side hustle or even a full-time career. The possibilities are endless. So, my fellow pinners and aspiring entrepreneurs, grab your creativity, pin with purpose, and let your passion for ideas pave the way to a future where high profits, the joy of low effort, and the thrill of making money from home harmoniously coexist. Happy pinning!